Okay, and let's do spin down. It's gonna be hard for me to film them all. That one seemed to have pretty good bearings, so I have a feeling that one's probably gonna be toward the end. But imagine that one. Yeah, this door keeps closing from all these air currents. Spinner, still going. That's going. That's getting there. Yeah, Princess is still going. I think the hugger's gonna be first. Yep, hugger first. Looks like the Bridgeton just stopped. SMC still going, Princess still going. Incon's going. The Bridgeton was second, Spinner's still going. The event's still going. Looks like that SMC is about there. Spinner's going. So it's tricky to get them all. Yeah, it looks like the DC52. Yep, that's next. And Harbor Breeze is really close. Probably call that one second or call next. Yeah, I think the Harbor Breeze just stopped. That one's pretty much stopped. Spinner's still going. Oh, geez, wow.
Where's the rest of them?
And yeah, looks like the spinner is the best spin down. So, all right, thanks for watching.